Hello, my name is Brennan, and I am the McGraw-Hill Associate for Cal State San Bernardino. Dr. Burke and my team collaborated to come up with your course materials for the current semester in Introductory German, or German 101. Today I will be briefing you on Connect in LearnSmart, where you'll be going to access a portion of your assignments for the quarter. I'm going to talk to you about registration as well as some best practices for running the program. We'll get into your purchasing options. We'll look at the resources that are available to you, in particular LearnSmart, and we'll talk about tech support. For the smoothest experience when running Connect, I recommend one of these three web browsers. If you have a Mac at home, Safari is fine. Otherwise, Firefox or Chrome come recommended. Please note that we ask that you refrain from using Internet Explorer when running Connect. Much like an application for your smartphone, Internet Explorer updates a bit too rapidly for McGraw-Hill, and so it can create for a bit of an unuser-friendly experience. We also ask that you intermittently clear the cookies, web cache, or browsing history on your internet browser. Like any other web-based application, Connect has a tendency of getting bogged down if there's just too much space being taken up through your internet browser. I will show you how to register here in just a moment. It's a good best practice when you register for the very first time. If you scroll to the bottom of the Connect home screen, there's a link there that says Troubleshooting. If you click that link, it's going to run a diagnostic on whatever computer you are using to access Connect. This diagnostic is going to identify any programs that either need to be installed or updated on your device in order to run Connect most effectively. If something's out of date, it'll be highlighted with a link. Just follow that link and it'll take you where you need to go to get your computer configured to the right state. So these are three quick and easy steps that you can take before you access any of the resources in the program. Your required materials for this course are Deutsch Klar, 7th edition by D. Donato and Clyde. The Cal State Bookstore has a Connect access code that's got everything you need to get started in this course. There's no print book required. However, I will show you how you can acquire a print book directly through the program. Registration is pretty easy. You're just going to log into your Blackboard account through Cal State and locate German 101 with Dr. Burke. Locate the folder that will contain your Connect assignments and click on that. You'll see a list of icons very similar to these. For the purposes of registration, just click on any one of those icons. You'll be greeted with the same welcome screen for Connect. Go ahead and click Continue, and you will be asked to enter an email address. We do ask that you use your Cal State email when registering in Connect, and then go ahead and click Submit. Everyone will be brought to this screen. I mentioned the bookstore earlier. The Cal State Bookstore is carrying just the Connect access code on the shelf. So you take that Connect access code, enter it here on the left, and redeem by clicking Submit. Maybe you're on financial aid. Maybe your work schedule's up in the air and you're not sure if you're going to be sticking with the course. In the meantime, McGraw-Hill will provide you with 2 weeks of courtesy access to the program. Connect contains an e-text with it, so you'll have access to all your workbook and lab manual assignments as well as the e-text. Everything you need to get started in this course, and at the end of those 2 weeks, or any time before those 2 weeks, you will need to make a decision, either to purchase a code, drop the class, or come up with some alternative with Dr. Burke. Which leads to your third option, which is to buy the code directly from McGraw-Hill. It is $130 and it is good for 9 months of access to Connect. It is designed to take you all the way through the German program of 101, 102, and 103. But you decide which option works best for your situation. Everyone will create an account in Connect. It's pretty straightforward. First name, last name, email address, security question, password, and you're all set. Just a snapshot of the Connect home screen. Okay, everyone who purchases a code in Connect will also have an option of acquiring a print book if they prefer. For $40, you can have a loose leaf, binder-ready version of the text mailed directly to your home. It's available through this link here highlighted on the right within the Connect home screen, but it is not required. LearnSmart is a study tool. It was inspired by the same technology you may find either on Amazon or Netflix, where the user has a profile with the technology. In this case, it's a student. And the way LearnSmart works is LearnSmart is going to be asking you questions based on the vocab and the grammar for whatever chapter you're reading that week. LearnSmart will be asking you a question. You'll have an answer set, However, LearnSmart is going to ask you to assign a cognitive value to your answer. All we want to know is how confident you are. This is not a quiz. This is not a test. This will be set up for credit. However, LearnSmart is really trying to identify any gaps either from your reading or the lecture that maybe you haven't quite understood. And it is going to recirculate only those questions that you need the most attention on, nothing that you don't. Much like a flashcard, once you see this information again, LearnSmart will have taken that information from your short-term memory and moved it into your long-term memory, where you can recall that information during stressful moments such as a quiz or an exam. We're getting a lot of great feedback on this program, and we hope you enjoy it. Thank you for your time. My final slide is on technical support. In the event you experience an issue with Connect or LearnSmart, it's very important you understand that Dr. Burke is not tech support for the program. I've already given you a couple of troubleshooting measures between the diagnostic, the clearing of your web history, and the web browser. If you're still experiencing an issue, please give our customer care team a call at the number here and note their service hours. In the event the customer care agent is not able to solve your issue on the spot, they are going to issue you a case number. It's very important that you write that case number down and bring that to Dr. Burke's attention, because she will reach out to contact my team and we will get involved to come up with a solution for you. Thank you for your time again, and best of luck in Introductory German.